So you need to cut the V like on this side.
Like this way?
No.
Like this way.
Yeah. But on the side.
How am I
Look.
supposed to get on this?
Look.
Jack, I can't stand right here.
Look, here's the tree. You need to cut a V in it on the side.
Look, I'm not, like right here.
Yeah, right there. Go. Cut it down at an angle. Harder than it looks, huh?
What do you mean I'm already halfway through the tree?
Just make sure it's cut at an angle so you can just push it off. Yeah, no, it's just it's gonna fall back closer. Just push it like that.
Well, he's like, it's not touching yet. Oh!
I don't know if that's gonna work.
And then like, no. I'll cut a little bit more out on this side.
I say you just cut it down at an angle from that side.
This way?
No, where you cut it before?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just
cut
cut
it
it down
down
that way. Just push it. Keep going like that. Keep going like that. You got it, man.
Take it.
I don't know, remember we lived together, Daniel? How come you were not doing the yard work then, man?
Now if I hit it like this, it'll fall over. Right?
Oh, keep going down at an angle. Keep going down. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know what to do. It's gonna fall.
This way? Okay.
Keep cutting through it the same way you were cutting.
Do we have a rope? We tie a rope to it and just pull it that way?
You a cowboy?
Yes. With my rhinestone chucks on.
Just push it. Yeah.
Woo!
I said it was gonna be hard.
That bubble bit. Oh, get it in my ammo. Okay, Einstein. Drop the saw so I can get down. Ethan, you ready to cut? You ready to cut the tree the rest of the way off? There's a black bumblebee. Here, Ethan, you help Bailey kick it down. Hold on, wait a minute. Right here. Okay. Are we gonna go?
I heard it crack.
Do it, do it, do it. Hold on, hold on.
Have her go closer. Step closer. So she gets more power.
Okay, hold on. Hey, Ethan, you give it a push. Push it, Ethan.
But I can't. There's a black bumblebee.
No,
Please,
come over here and push.
I
Push
can't.
it that way, like this. See, it's wiggling, it's loose. Oh, you heard it crack? No, let's see. Hold on, let's see. black bumblebee's gone now. Two hands.
Auntie, there's a mama husky over there. Yo, just kick
And that's
them.
not a hug. There you go. Put your hand where I said, push down.
It's heavy.
Let the weight of the drill go through it. You
Yeah.
just guide it. Hold
You
it.
gotta put the top, put your hand on the top. It's gonna jump out.
Or the saw. It's not a drill. Saw.
Yeah, it's gonna jump out and right.
Now you're scaring me, Auntie.
How? Look, this is what I mean by jump out. You have no control over it. You can get it? No, both hands. Listen, both hands. Watch what you're doing. Yeah, you're doing a great job. Be careful, you're gonna break it. Okay, stop. Stop, and let's go this way, watch. So you get your chip. You want your chip, right? Huh? Okay.
Keep in mind right now.
Yeah, I want you to go like this, watch me. I want you to start right here. I want you to go down here, and make a chip. Okay? Hold this hand back a little bit. There you go. Okay, stop. And now you got to go across. And you got your chip. Look, watch, right here. Go right here like this. Do that, and you'll have your chip. Come here. Come here. And you'll be done. Look.
Do that, Sandy.
Here, come here.
I
Hold-
can't.
Here. Here's your chip.
I can't.
Pull it off. Oh, here we go. Oh, we need all that. Here's your chip.
Oh, I want to do another ship.
Hold on, hold on. They were happy with